Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use up yarn stash crochet, full guide. Gather leftover skeins, sort by weight and color, and measure remaining yardage to estimate project sizes. Create a priority list of small projects that finish quickly to keep momentum. Use swatches to test gauge and color mixing, and write notes for future stash projects to avoid duplicate purchases and wasted yarn. In this video, I will explain how to use up yarn stash crochet, full guide. Start with basic joining techniques like spit join or Russian join to secure ends without knots. Alternate hook sizes when blending yarns of different weights, and adjust tension to maintain fabric consistency. Experiment with mosaic patterns, stripe sequencing, and granny motifs to incorporate many small scraps into one cohesive, attractive project that feels intentional and polished. In this video, I will explain how to use up yarn stash crochet, full guide. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like to support more crafty videos, and consider a quick recommendation. Books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which pairs perfectly with cozy crochet breaks and pattern reading. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a cuppa, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use up yarn stash crochet, full guide. Choose projects that naturally accept varied yarns, such as blankets, scarves, and colorful cushions to use many small pieces. For wearable items, prioritize drape and softness by testing a small swatch first. Consider gifting handmade scrappy items to friends or donating to local causes to give your leftover yarn a meaningful second life while clearing shelf space.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.